We've got a rectangular prism. If the volume of the rectangular prism is 480 units cubed, what is the height? So we're given two dimensions. We know that the length is 10 units, the width is 12 units, and we need to use all of this information to find the height. So with any of these area and volume problems, we need to write down the formula first. So our volume formula for rectangular prism is volume equals length times width times height version of that formula. What we always have to do next is plug in all of the values from the problem that we actually know. It tells us the volume is 480 units cubed. We know that the length is 10 units. 10 units. The width is 12 units. We don't know the height yet, so we're looking for the height. Now we just combine all the like terms that we can. So pretty simple, 480, that doesn't change. But 10 times 12 we can easily figure out is 120. So the area of the base of this figure is 120 units squared. But the volume we have to then multiply by the height. So this is a one-step equation now. 480 equals 120h. Okay, so in order to get rid of the multiplication of 120, we have to do the opposite of multiplying by 120, which is dividing by 120. So both sides of the equation need to get divided, we'll do it this way, divided by 120. So 120h divided by 120. All right, so on the right side of the equal sign, we're going to see that when we multiply by a number and divide by the same number, those things simply cancel out. So the multiplying and the dividing by 120, those two things just go away because they're opposites. They cancel each other out. So on the right side of our equal sign, we're just going to have the height because the multiplication of 120 was canceled out. But on the left side, we need to do the number crunching, 480 divided by 120. So we can actually simplify this a lot. Just drop the zeros by multiplying by 10, or dividing both of those numbers by 10. That's going to be the same thing as 48 divided by 12. Because we can simplify fractions like that, simplify division problems. So 48 divided by 12, 12, 24, 36, 48. 48 divided by 12 is 4. What is the height of this rectangular prism? 4 units.